Hello everybody and welcome back to Bring Your Own Popcorn. So, in today's video, I have another unboxing, but this is going to be a slightly different unboxing. I have been waiting for this parcel package for a while. Well, probably about a week. I've been waiting. I think I actually ordered it around this time last week. It's not a Blu-ray, it's not a DVD, it is movie related though. I bought my first Neopixel lightsaber. Basically, if you don't know what a Neopixel lightsaber is, it's the best quality lightsaber you can get basically on the market. They're extremely bright. And yeah, I was like, I've got Christmas money. I've wanted one for ages. They're pretty expensive. But I had birthday and Christmas money because my birthday and Christmas are close together. And I was just like, why not? Let's just do it, and it would also make a pretty interesting video. So, I bought, no matter what you think of the character, I bought Rey's lightsaber. I think everyone can admit that her lightsaber is pretty awesome. It's my personal favourite lightsaber in Star Wars. Don't know how controversial that is, but I bought it. And it came in this really professional looking box. I've not opened this yet. I'm very excited to. And if it is good quality and I would recommend it, I will leave the link to where I bought this down in the description. It is expensive, but if you can, I'm sure this will be worth buying because I'm sure it will be awesome. So yeah, let's get this open. I'm just going to have to pop it on my knee here. I really don't want to drop it. How do I open this? Oh, shit. Come on. All the numbers at the right place. Why won't this open? Oh. Aha! Yes! I thought it was tricked there and it wasn't going to open. But it does open. Okay. Okay, what should I take out first? I'm actually going to put this on the floor in front of me. Oh, don't break anything. Okay, let's take out the actual hilt. Oh, that is awesome. Right, okay. We need to get this out of the packaging. I didn't bring a knife. Have I got a knife up here? I don't think so. We're just going to have to rip this. Okay, I'm going to skip ahead in the video until this is out the packaging. Okay. Here it is. Oh, it's really good quality actually. I hope this doesn't need charged. I was hoping it would come with some charge in it. But it might need charged. So I'm going to try and turn it on. Okay, nothing's happening. Okay, I think I need to read the instructions. I think that would be a good idea. I'm gonna take my blade out. So this is the blade that I received. This is the Neopixel Blade. Pretty decent length actually when that goes in there. Okay. I think this needs the instructions read to it. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly show you everything else it comes with, and then I'm going to assemble this together, and then we're going to come back and I'm going to show you what it's like assembled. So it comes with instructions, your manual, so that's always good. And then it comes with some strange little tools. So we have this, which I have no idea what it is. Some more tools there. It comes with, now I can't get this one out, so I'll leave that to the end. That's your charger, I'm pretty sure. And it also comes with a stand that you can build, so you can display the hilt, which is pretty awesome. This little thing, whatever this is, I'll put that right there. And then I'm gonna tip this upside down just to get the last thing out, if it comes out. Okay, it's like stuck in there. Okay, I'll leave that in there now, but there's like a little metal thing, circular thing. Right, okay, I'm going to skip ahead in the video. I've never done this before, so I don't know how long it'll take me. So I'm going to skip ahead in the video until this is fully assembled and I will light it up for the first time. Okay, I believe I have assembled it. It was easier than I thought. There's actually a cap on the bottom of the blade that needed to be pulled off so the blade would fit inside. So here it is. I've not tried to turn it on yet because I wanted my reaction to be. So I don't know if it's charged. So this could be an ultimate fail. But here we go. Oh, it's not charged. I don't think so anyway. Okay. And he's charged. I think we're going to have to go charge this. Does it? I don't really know how these work. Okay. That was a fail. But we're going to go charge this and then hopefully we'll be able to use the Neopixel lightsaber. Okay, so it's been charging for a little bit. Basically had to unscrew the bottom, take out like a battery, put it on charge. It's only been charging for about 2 hours. And it says it needs to charge for at least 4. So I'm hoping I'll get a little shot out of it by just charging it for 2. Okay, we're going to turn it on. Oh! That is awesome! Check that out! Oh. So do you hold it in to bring it back down or something? Right, okay, how do I change? I'm going to hold it in and see if that changes the sound. Darkness. So that, I think that's changed the colour. This is awesome. I'm so happy with this. Let's change it again. Rogue Commander. Oh, it's like proper red. The sound's really good as well. I think with a longer charge, this will actually work a lot better as well. Not that it's not good right now. General Kenobi. Kenobis.
I've become more powerful than any Jedi.
Count Dooku. Oh. Oh, that one sounds nice. I'm so happy with this. Check that out.
Master Yoda. Count Dooku.
Oh, it's just Count Dooku's one again, okay. I thought it was going to be Yoda's. Oh, it's playing it again. I must just play that after.
Master Yoda. Count Dooku. Empress Palpatine.
This is every nerd's wet dream. Oh, whoa. That was crazy. It's like unstable. Oh, that's awesome. I really like that blue actually. This is just a video of me being obsessed with this. Let's change it again. It comes with so many colours. It's like more orangey red, I would say. It generally comes with so many colours. Darth Maul. Okay, it's kind of the same, just a different sound font. Oh, I'm obsessed.
Ascension.
Ascension. Oh! Oh, green, I think, is my favourite lightsaber colour. Oh, I just lit up the green one again.
The dark sword.
The dark sword. Whoa! It's white. This is freaking awesome. Link down in the description to this. This is so cool.
You're hard to get rid of.
Is this Rey? Nice! This is the original colour of this saber. This is so cool.
I'll show you the dark side.
Kylo Ren. Unstable.
This is the way.
Oh. Okay, so it's just a glowing light, this one. It doesn't actually seem to be doing much. Okay. Defiance, I think that's it. Okay, so that's white as well. Oh, that's cool, the red. This is my new favourite thing. This is awesome.
Spectrum.
Spectrum. Oh. Rainbow! I didn't know it came with rainbow. That is... Oh, that is awesome. Check that out. I don't know how this looks on camera, but it looks real. It looks like I'm holding a real lightsaber. Oh my god.
The dark side. My master.
Oh, like an unstable blue? Revan? This might be a Clone Wars thing. Oh, pink! This is so cool!
The general, to me she is royalty.
Layers? Another like unstable blue. Okay, I think we're getting towards... We must be getting towards where we started. I can't actually remember where we started.
I'm Cal Kestis.
Cal Kestis. Oh, that's orange. Now that is orange. Haha!
Your destiny lies with me.
Vader? Oh no, it's Luke. That's Luke's. Take the OG lightsaber.
Darkness.
Darkness. Is this where we started? I'm actually getting a bit confused.
Rogue Commander.
That's where we started, Rogue Commander, I think. Yeah, I think this is where we kind of started. Okay, so, I'll leave it on this one, because I thought it'd be a fun idea if I went down and got my Kylo Ren lightsaber that I bought at Disney, and compare it with a Neopixel lightsaber. So I'm going to go get that, and we'll compare them. Okay, so, this is my Kylo Ren saber. Sound isn't as good, light isn't as good, and then this is my Neopixel lightsaber. Look at the difference. And this one comes with loads of different colours. You can do, like, it's getting shot at and you're blocking it. This one just isn't as good. This one, for the price difference, I think that was £200 and this was £300. It's worth it. It is so worth the money. Link in the description to this. This is awesome. If you've got the money and you want one, I would really recommend buying one. I got I think this is an 82 centimetre long blade. You can get 72, 82 or 92. I think this is actually a good length. What's actually longer? Okay, so this is just slightly shorter than my Kylo Ren one. Never gets old. That looks real. It looks freaking real. Okay, that's going to be the end of this video. As you can tell, I'm over the moon. Down in the description, I bought this from Etsy. You'll see it top link. Yeah, so I'm going to put this down here. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.